The tropics are starting to heat back up, and there's no surprise there. Our peak of hurricane season in the Atlantic is on September 10th. So what do we have out there? Well, we got a couple areas out into the mid part of the Atlantic. These are moderate chances for development, but most of the guidance does show these turning towards the north, even staying well towards the east of Bermuda. Our eyes are focusing, though, on this high chance Invest 91L out here in the Gulf of Mexico, which could become our next named storm system as we start off the work week. Most of the guidance pulling this towards the north, actually developing into a named storm just off the coastline of Texas and eventually coming on shore, possibly in the Texas or over towards Louisiana here as a tropical storm, with some models, specifically the GFS, even showing a potential hurricane. Now, the sea surface temperatures out here are exceptionally warm. It does have a bit of shear, but there's plenty of moisture counteracting that as well. So, point is, there's a lot of ingredients in place for this to maybe get its act together and organize as it pulls off here towards the north. But I think one of the big issues with this is going to be the rainfall, especially along our coastal areas all the way from Corpus Christi up towards Galveston. There could be well over 4 to 5 inches of precip, and even topping that into Louisiana as this pulls in that moisture and just kind of pumps it across the area here. And this is even lingering with the stationary boundary, bringing heavy precip to the east coast of Florida around Jacksonville on top of that. So plenty of rain on top of already saturated grounds from this lingering stationary boundary we have been seeing in the area is going to continue to create that risk of some flooding out here. So, of course, going to continue to keep you posted at First Coast News at our Hurricane Central for more information on this developing tropical area.